Hello everybody.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I'm here with Mama and Baba. How pretty does Mama look? No makeup and your skin is glowing.
Thank you.
So perfect. You look,
And Baba, how look?
you look good too. Mama, I just kidding.
Cookie. Say hi
How did
everybody.
it get so dirty?
Hello. Mama, cookie.
This one?
This one, which
Or
one?
this one?
Which
Okay,
one?
choose one. Which one?
Choose one.
Which one?
Hey.
Okay, so.
Hey.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I have a special guest.
Hello.
Mama. Baba might be coming down during the cooking portion, but just for like the intro and stuff, Kayvon was like in play mode. So Baba's upstairs playing with Kayvon while we film this intro. But as you guys can tell with the title, today we're gonna be cooking. You guys know my mom is an amazing chef.
Oh, thank you
She's
so
so
much.
good at cooking.
Thank you.
And today we're gonna be cooking. Right, Mama? Mama loves
Hello
HelloFresh.
Fresh.
Hello Fresh, you guys.
I like it. It's easy to cook. Everything is measured. I like it. We don't throw something. Everything will be useful.
Yeah. That's one thing about Mama, guys. She hates wasting.
Yeah.
Anything.
No waste.
If you guys don't know what HelloFresh is, it is a meal kit delivery service. They send these handy dandy little meal kits straight to your door, and it makes cooking up meals at home so easy and simple. And if you're in a recipe rut, I feel like you're like me too, Mama. We cook like the same thing all the time. So we love that about HelloFresh, that it kind of gets us out of our comfort zone and to cook different things. So today we're actually going to be making two meals. We're going to be making the salsa roja chicken enchiladas. Yum. And then we're also going to be making these beef bulgogi meatballs. So it's kind of like two cuisines. We have Mexican and we have Asian. And it takes out all of the stress of cooking and making meals at home. You don't have to go to the grocery store. Everything comes to you in these handy dandy meal kits. Everything is pre-measured out, pre-portioned out, and it just makes it so easy and simple
And everybody
to
can
cook.
cook it.
Yeah, it's really easy. So like, no matter your level, if you're a chef restaurant owner like my mama, or if you're someone who's just getting in the kitchen, it just makes it so easy and simple for everybody. And the great thing about HelloFresh is that it's super customizable. You guys can go on there and you can change your weekly preferences. Let's say one week you want to go vegetarian, and you can easily do vegetarian meals. Or let's say you're going out of town for a week, you can easily just skip that week in your plan. And I love HelloFresh as a company because they're all about giving back. Just in 2019 alone, Mama, they donated over 2.5 million meals. 2.5 million meals. Can you believe it? And they're really stepping up during the pandemic to really aid people in this crisis. So we're just so excited to be working with them again for today's video. And it's always a good time when we film together, Mama.
I think this is the second time or third time.
Yeah, we filmed, remember last time we filmed HelloFresh? I think we were still in that very first apartment out here. I actually get so many DMs and comments from you guys saying you tried out HelloFresh because of us and that you love it, and it makes me so happy because we love working with them. We love getting HelloFresh. So if you guys want to try HelloFresh for yourselves, you guys already know we have to hook it up. Right, Mama? We have to hook it up. You guys can go to HelloFresh.com and use my code 90 Nazanin. What was that, Mama?
90 Nazanin.
90. Don't forget 90 Nazanin to get $90 off plus free shipping off your first
$90?
box. $90 off and free shipping.
Wow.
So make sure you guys check the description box down below. Also make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and also turn on your post notifications because we're uploading every single day until Christmas. And let's get to cooking, Mama.
Oh my gosh, everything is here. Tortillas, tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, lime, 2 limes, 1 green pepper.
It's not green pepper. It's a poblano pepper.
Wow, it's hot?
No.
No. And 1 onion.
The meat comes separate, you guys, in the box. It's like underneath the ice packs. So make sure you guys look under the ice packs. So that's where your meat is going to be, so it stays nice and fresh before you can put it in the fridge. So when HelloFresh sends you the meals, they send you these really nice meal cards that make it so easy and simple to create your recipes. Look at this, guys. It literally has step-by-step instructions for you. Everything you need to do, everything you need, like as far as tools, like salt and oil and bowls and things like that. But they literally make it so easy. Even if you don't know how to cook at all, you can make HelloFresh. Right, Kayvon?
I'm watching you and listening.
Uh-huh.
What Mama saying?
Are you hitting Grandpa's head?
This Baba Puzor.
Are you pulling Grandpa's 2 strands of hair? Poor Baba, he has 2 strands of hair and Kayvon's pulling it.
Yeah, pull him.
We're doing both.
Both?
Yeah.
Okay. Salsa, roja, chicken.
Not roja, roja.
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 أنا قلمز.
Oh, rojo.
Salsa roja.
Rojo, yeah.
Paplano. This is cake paplano.
Paplano, Kavari, Paplano. This is tomato, Kavari. This is tomato.
Lime. This is lime.
This is
Tortillas.
tortilla, daddy. Tortilla. Onion. Here is onion. Chicken, daddy. Look. Chicken. Mexican blend cheese. Daddy, Mexican blend cheese. You got it? You got it? You got it?
Oh, he's pulling your hair. You want me to fix it for you?
Daddy.
يلا بيعسل. يا بابا بس.
Winnie.
Here, mom's giving.
Winnie. Ma, what you do? What you do?
Okay, so Mama's gonna work on the enchiladas. I think I'm gonna handle the meatballs. Guys, I love beef bulgogi. The first time I ever had beef bulgogi was with Justice and Kayla, and I was like, oh my gosh, where was this my whole life? So for this one, I have to roast carrots. I can use my air fryer. You know what? I can cook these meatballs in my air fryer. Should I use the air fryer?
Yeah, you can use it.
Grate ginger, thinly sliced scallions, make the rice, make the meatball, toss it in the sauce, and boom.
How
Easy.
long take this recipe, Daddy?
It takes about 30 minutes to cook. To cook the vegetables, 20 minutes. The meatballs, 14 to 16 minutes. See guys, the beauty of HelloFresh is, let's say I wanted to make these meatballs and I'm like, oh, I have to go buy the sauce for it. I'd have to buy this big, huge jar of it that I was only gonna use for a few recipes. That's why HelloFresh is so great, because you just get them portion controlled so you don't end up wasting food. Look at Mama's chopping skills, you guys. Okay, so for the meatballs, I'm gonna be taking the ground beef packets. We have 2 of these. And then I was instructed to separate the scallion whites from the scallion greens. So we're gonna put the beef, the scallion whites, some ginger. They also sent over some ginger. I'm gonna grate some of this in there. Also, we're gonna be adding breadcrumbs. Wow, Mom, these meatballs are perfect. Look at the shape. Look at the artistry, you guys. Huh, wait, do that again, Ma? Wow. Okay, so this video is called Cooking with Mama and Baba, but this is more like Mama and Baba are cooking and I'm just here for moral support.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, Baba. Hey, buddy.
Happy for Mama.
Mommy.
Kayvon. Kayvon. We're eating meatballs. We're eating meatballs. Kayvon loved meatballs last time we had meatballs. Uh-huh. What is he eating? What is this?
Look, meatball. Mommy did it, grandma did it. Meatball.
Let me see what Kayvon's eating right here. These are fruit and veggie bites, apple, apricot, carrot. Let's see. Little. Would you try one of these, babe?
No.
Try one. Why?
Hey, buddy. We get it, Baba. We get it. Take it.
Low key, Kayvon, I think Mommy's eating all your snacks. There's not many left. There's 3 more left. These are fire, you guys. They're so good. Ready?
Winnie, Nanny, day. Baba, Daddy. 1, 2. Winnie, be a bubble. Winnie.
this is for the inside of the enchilada.
Oh, yeah.
Putting these in the oven. Okay, guys, we just noticed. You can put on me, Mom. We can put on me. Guys, we misread it. So we were supposed to put a teaspoon of that sauce into the meat mixture and then also toss them. Like when they're done cooking. This should still be good, huh?
Yeah.
We're still gonna toss it with the sauce
Not
afterwards.
big deal.
But I was like, let me try drizzling it on some of these. Wow, Mom, these are perfect.
Show me your nails.
Oh, sorry.
Show
My
me.
nails?
Wow, I like them.
Thank you. We're adding salt. Oh, you always put it upside down, I noticed. My mom always leaves it like this.
I'm so hungry, Mama.
I know, me too. So once the chicken cooks, we're gonna add the vegetables, and then HelloFresh sent over their Southwest spice blend. We're gonna put some of this, and this is called Tex-Mex paste. Not sure. It's like, it looks like a tomato-y, enchilada-y, yummy sauce. So Baba was supposed to cut the carrots, but this is where he is instead.
What do you think?
You didn't finish your job, mister.
Okay, what do you need?
You didn't cut the carrots.
Oh my
No, I'm just
God.
joking. I'll do it. Just relax. Seasoning.
Salt, please. Roja salsa.
Mama is rolling up the enchiladas. Kayvon sad. Okay, so I'm just whipping up the enchilada sauce while Mama finishes them up. So this is just tomato paste. And then we have that Tex-Mex sauce I showed you that we put in the chicken. And then also that same Southwest seasoning. And I'm just combining that. Mmm. Best part, we got some Mexican cheese. Okay, you guys, we just finished up both the meals. They look so good. So we just ended up tossing the meatballs with more of the sauce. And then I also made this sour cream and sriracha sauce. It's literally just sour cream, sriracha, and a little bit of water. So we have that plated. And then here is our lovely enchilada. And then we also topped it with the pico that we made and some sour cream. Guys, I am obsessed. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Literally, how good does that look? Okay, y'all, Mom and I worked hard in the kitchen. We're gonna taste our creations. So we think the enchilada might be a little too spicy for my mom because, guys, she thinks black pepper is spicy.
No, Mommy, the sauce.
I know,
the
but I'm
red sauce
saying,
was hot.
I know, but I'm telling them that you can't handle spice that well. Like, I'm talking like mild is too spicy
Let
for
me
her.
see.
Let's see.
Thank you, Mama. Now we're growing up.
You're all grown up?
Wow.
Hold on, wait, are we gonna do it together?
Yeah.
Hold on, so we have our
Wow.
enchilada. You gotta get some sour cream. You have to get your pico. Ready?
Yum, yum.
This is 10 out of 10. Enchilada is really good. Now we're gonna try the meatball.
Always HelloFresh good. I like it. HelloFresh is very good. Always. I didn't eat something I don't like it.
Me too. Really good. It's funny, we have Mexican and Asian. Almost plate, you guys. It's like enchilada, meatball, carrot.
Yeah, it's good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
You know what we need, Mom? Yes. Diet Coke.
Baba, can you give us Diet Coke, please?
Okay, guys, that's it for today's video.
Yeah.
It's really yummy, huh?
Yeah, really yummy.
So good,
Thank
you guys. No, this is delicious. And it was so easy. We didn't have to go to the grocery store.
Everything is
It was so nice.
chopped already.
Yeah, everything was
Ready,
pre-measured
recipe
out.
is ready, you know. You don't,
Everything's
yeah,
easy,
it's-
huh?
Yeah, easy.
So again, guys, make sure to use my code 90 Nazanin to get some money off. Again, make sure you guys click the link down below to check out HelloFresh. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
I hope you enjoyed with us.
Yeah, thank you for coming to my channel.
Thank you. Thank
Don't
you,
forget
thank
the like.
you. Yeah,
Like.
like, yeah.
Like.
Yes.
And subscribe
I'm
it.
gonna eat my meatballs,
Subscribe.
and we'll see you tomorrow.